Hello friend, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you all the tools offered by SelectorsHub which can help you in learning as well as saving a lot of time while doing the software testing. So the very first one is SelectorsHub. SelectorsHub tool helps you to quickly generate the XPath, CSS selector and all possible selectors, playwright selectors as well, to help you to save time while writing XPath and CSS selector. It also helps you in learning about the XPath, CSS selector, DOM while writing the XPath, CSS selector. How you can get started with this? Here on the SelectorsHub website, if you click on this SelectorsHub, it will open the SelectorsHub page. Here you have all the details. If you want to install on Chrome, just click on this. For other browsers, you click on this button, it will show you the links for all other browser stores. So let's say I will show you for on the Chrome. So you can see that more than 400k testers already using just in Chrome with a 5-star rating. Click on add to Chrome, add extension. Here I will show you just for the SelectorsHub. Rest all the tools you can install it. After installing it, you will see that SelectorsHub logo is not appeared here. So if you click on here, and you will find that, just pin it to toolbar, and now SelectorsHub logo here available. Now if you open any website after installation, just restart the browser or open a website into the new tab. There should be a URL. Make sure that the tab is not blank, the URL is not blank here. There should be a URL. Now if you click on the logo here, you will see that it is generating all possible selectors here. You can just select the SelectorsHub inspector, inspect any element, and it will show you the result here. All possible generated XPath and CSS selector. You just inspect, it will give you all the details. If you go to any page which has like more details like shadow DOM, iframe, you just select the SelectorsHub inspector. It will show you all the details here. Just by hovering on the element, you will get to know this element is inside shadow DOM, close shadow DOM, SVG, or if any element is inside iframe. If you open this iframe page here, these elements are inside iframe, nested iframe, all the details it shows here. If you want to write any XPath, you start typing here, and it will, like in a smart editor, it will start suggesting you the possible combinations of attribute and value. If you make any mistake, it will give you the proper error message. Like if you make any kind of mistake while writing the XPath, it will highlight in red color, also gives you the proper error message. You can also open SelectorsHub in DevTools, like just right click, inspect, and here also you can open. By default, it will be the last tab like this. Here you can drag and drop at any position, and here you can write, like when you write XPath and CSS selector like this, if you make any mistake, it gives you the proper error message here. So these all things, all features are available in SelectorsHub, which will help you guys a lot. You can also generate the XPath with command, XPath with particular attribute, dynamic attribute, ID, class without ID, without class. All these features are available. For that, I will recommend you to watch the detailed tutorial of SelectorsHub, which is available here on SelectorsHub YouTube channel. Okay, then next tool is Test Case Studio, which will help you guys automatically to generate the manual test cases, steps, and screenshot with screen recording as well, for filing the bug, for reproducing the bug, and to generate the manual test cases automatically. Same way, if you click here, it will open this Test Case Studio page. Here you can install it on Chrome. So I have already installed. You can see the logo here, and you can see more than 70,000 testers already using it. This is one of the highest rated recorder plugin already available in Chrome store. So here what you have to do before, like let's say you go to any website here, before you start your testing, just click on the logo. It will open like this, and now you start doing your testing here, and you will find that all the steps will start getting captured there in Test Case Studio. So you can see that open website, whatever we were performing, it has recorded. Data is there, XPath, CSS selector is there, screenshots are there with the highlighted field. You can download this particular test case and screenshot. You can execute steps in English as code. You can record a screen as well, and a lot more things you can do here. So this is Test Case Studio. You see that all the information like OS, browser, resolution, timestamp, everything you get it here. So this is test case studio. You have more settings options here. You can check out like this particular tutorial about test case studio in detail. Here also you will find the tutorial, as well as on this page as well you will find the tutorial. The next tool is check my links, which is very helpful to quickly scan the entire page and get you the result about like which is broken link, if there is any all the links are working on the page or not. So what you have to do, you just go to any web page and click on the check my links logo. I have already installed it, so it is available here. You can also install it. So you can see that valid links 91, valid redirect link it is calculating 12, warning 0, invalid link 1. So you have all the details here. You can download them, view all, refresh, all things you can do here. So this is check my links to quickly scan your entire page to get all the broken links and everything here. Any dead links, this is very helpful tool to get the to scan the entire page, get the details about all the links available on your website. So this is check my links guys here. Then page load timer. Page load timer is very helpful tool to automatically get the load time of any web page. You just have to keep it installed on your website, and whenever you will open any web page you will see the load time available here. So automatically you get the load time. You can also set the maximum threshold load time, so whenever there is a performance issue on any web page, it will automatically give you the alert. Like let's say for an example, this particular page we want for SelectorsHub website that none of the page of SelectorsHub.com should take more than 1 second. Okay, now I have set it here, saved. Now if we will reload the page, if that will take more than 1 second, it will show us this red alert here. So this way I can quickly report the issue and tell my developer that there is a performance issue. So this is very helpful tool. You can check out more details here about this particular tool, the tutorial and everything. This will save a good amount of time and saves you pushing any release which can cause the performance of your website. Then testing daily. Testing daily is very helpful tool to get the latest software testing updates on your fingertips. It is available as a mobile browser as well as mobile app as well as the browser extension. You can just install it in your browser, and every time when you open the new tab you will see these kind of details. So the latest software testing tutorial, blogs, articles, everything you get it here. You also have a separate tab like events, so which all are upcoming testing events that you get it here. The latest software testing jobs also you get it here. You get the blogs, you get the tutorial, and on the home page you get everything. So do install this particular extension on your browser, and every time you open new tab you get this in place of blank tab or any news, you get the latest software testing updates. Also, if you we highly recommend you to install the mobile app, which is available both on Play Store and App Store. This will help you to quickly get the notification and all the details. Then auto data filler, very helpful tool to quickly get the data while doing the exploratory testing. So suppose you are doing exploratory testing, so on any field, like let's say I need some data for mobile number, so you just right click and right there you get the data here, like numbers, whatever you want to enter the value on this particular field, that you get it here. So you can quickly enter and test it. You want to enter some value here, that you can test, like you have names and everything here. You can quickly test this whether this is accepting the value or not. Like let's say you have a payment page which you wanted to test for the card number, so you don't have to enter or looking for some value. You have all the details here, like valid, invalid data, MasterCard, whatever you want to enter, that value you quickly get on fingertips. So this is auto data filler. You can install it on Chrome Store and all other browser store. So do check out this tool. This will really help you guys a lot. AI post creator, if you are someone who wants to automatically create the post for your YouTube channel videos, or automatically get the post alert that you have to post something, then in that case you can use this AI post creator. Very helpful tool which gives you auto alert and everything here. You just select the any YouTube title here, click, and it will generate the post. You can simply copy and paste it in LinkedIn or any social media platform and then post it. Next tool is auto test data. Auto test data is very helpful tool to generate the fake test data, bulk fake test data. It's a single web page application. So if you want to generate a lot of bulk data, like lots of email ID and password combination or name on all these fields, let's say, you can of course add more fields from here in whichever format. Let's say CSV format, how many rows, like 10 or 100, whatever you want, like let's say 100 rows. Click on generate and it will generate the data. So this is how you can generate a lot of data as per your requirement. You can customize and lot more things you can do it here. So this is auto test data. These all tools, all 8 tools are free, absolutely free community tools. If you want more advanced feature, then we have SelectorsHub Pro as well as Test Case Studio Pro. SelectorsHub Pro has a lot more features without any ad or interruption. You get very advanced feature, dynamic XPath, generating the XPath with respect to other element just in few clicks. You also have a selector healing feature where you can verify the complete script, which all selectors, XPath, selector, etc. got changed. So a lot more features are there. Similarly, like in Pro version of Test Case Studio Recorder plugin, you have a lot more features, like you can record multiple test cases, you can directly upload those recorded test cases and screenshot to Jira or any test management tool you are using. There are a lot more features under customization. Lot more customizations are available, like if you are using Azure DevOps, Jira or TestRail, any test management tool, there you can directly upload the test case. You can customize the entire template. You can upload your test case and convert that into BDD or BD2 from BDD to normal, and just like that there are many features in Test Case Studio Pro. So all these tools are very helpful, saving a lot more time for all our testers. Do check out them. They will definitely help you in your day-to-day software testing and will help you in learning and saving a lot more time. Do let me know which one is your favorite tool and which one you are already using it from SelectorsHub, and which one is the next you are going to try in the comment section. And do share these tools in your testing groups with your company, with your colleague, and help others to know about these tools and let them save a lot more time. 1.5 million testers already using these tools and saving a lot more time every day. With that, thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.